Most people believe the problem with real estate is that it's too complicated and time-consuming, which makes it too difficult to do successfully without you having to take on major risk. To that, we say, nonsense. We believe real estate can be easy, especially if it's done for you. Understand, we find the best markets. We find the property. We rehab it. We get you the financing. We find you a good tenant, and then we manage the property for you. What's left? You collect the profits on your property every month. Get a free strategy call and find out how you can replace your income one property at a time. Also, be sure to take advantage of our free online self-paced course on the basics of real estate investing.